All right, today we will be learning how to change the status of an order in iChauffeur. So if you start out on the home screen, just tap on the iChauffeur icon and pull up the order that you need to modify. It will need to be highlighted yellow, and in this case it already is. Then you will click on status. And the very first status that you will have is dispatched, and that applies once you have gotten the order from dispatch. And the rest kind of mean exactly what they say. On the way means that you are in the car driving toward the client. Arrived means that you are on location to pick up the client. And customer in car means that the customer is in your vehicle ready to go. And then once all of those things apply, you can just select done. The options on the right here do not apply as often. If you do have any questions about those, you can always ask your supervisor. I'm just going to cancel out of this. And one other important thing to know is the chauffeur data. So the most important thing in here is going to be your vehicle mileage. So it says leaving garage. In actuality, you may not actually be leaving from the garage, but you will select your mileage before you leave to get the customer. So I'm going to enter a fake number here. And then once the trip is done and you are theoretically back in the garage, or perhaps not, as your schedule may dictate, you would enter the updated mileage. So I'm just going to make up a number here. And then you can just see it calculates the total miles for your trip. You would normally hit save. I'm just going to back out of this since this is just for training purposes. And if you do have any other questions about anything at all, feel free to ask your supervisor.